What does it take to create a global business opportunity? It requires more than just an idea. It requires dedication, hard work, and a vision that can be shared with the world. This is the story of Tim Taylor and Sandra Harry, the creators of The Great Discovery. Their journey is one of perseverance and determination, a testament to what can be achieved when a vision is coupled with hard work. Tim and Sandra are not your average entrepreneurs. They saw a need in the world for a new kind of education and wealth development system, one that could empower individuals and create generational wealth. And so the Great Discovery was born. But it wasn't an easy road. They put in countless hours working late into the night and waking up early in the morning. They poured their hearts and souls into this project, striving to create a system that was not just functional, but exceptional. And their hard work paid off. The Great Discovery is more than just a business. It's a revolution in education and wealth development. A system that is not only needed globally, but is also changing the lives of individuals all over the world. While grilling steaks and potato wedges on a Tuesday night, I found myself juggling two prospects, one on a Zoom call on my computer and another on my cell phone. Both were interested in purchasing the TGD Champion Course Creator Pack. In that moment, it dawned on me. These individuals were not joining because of my sales pitch, but because of the robust system that Tim and Sandra had created. A system that had the power to transform lives. Building a business from the ground up is no easy feat. I can attest to that. But what Tim and Sandra have done with The Great Discovery is above and beyond anything I could have ever imagined. So I extend a heartfelt thank you to Tim and Sandra. Their dedication, hard work, and vision have created an opportunity unlike any other. The Great Discovery is not just a business, but a revolution that could create generational wealth for people around the world. In my 62 years, never have I seen an opportunity as grand as this. The future is bright, and I am excited about the impact we will make in the lives of people all over the world. So join me in thanking Tim and Sandra. Their hard work and dedication have truly made a difference. The Great Discovery is their legacy, and what a wonderful legacy it is.